Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make an eggless butter chocolate chip cake. The chocolate chips tucked into a spongy butter vanilla cake. Oh, it feels like a hug in every bite. The recipe is very simple, you don't need any fancy equipments too. Start by taking butter, this is normal salted butter, some powdered sugar or caster sugar, and some good quality vanilla extract. Also, the butter should be at room temperature so it will become easier to cream. Keep mixing until it becomes smooth. Then add curd and mix again. Add all-purpose flour, some baking powder, and some baking soda. Finally, add some milk. Mix only until combined and our batter is ready. Wasn't it so easy and so quick? Now we just need to add the chocolate chips. I use both chopped dark chocolates and some chocolate chips. Coat the chocolates with about half teaspoon of flour so they don't sink in the cake. Now add it to the cake batter and mix well. Transfer the cake batter to a greased cake tin lined with parchment paper. And very important, top the cake with lots and lots of chocolate chips. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. It takes about 30 to 35 minutes. You can check if the cake is baked by inserting a skewer or a sharp knife, and if it comes out clean, that means your cake is ready. After the cake is ready, cover with a cloth and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Finally, demold it and you can see how beautiful it has turned out. The color, the texture, everything is so perfect. Cut into it and enjoy the best ever tea cake. It's spongy, it's buttery, it's so flavorful. Try this recipe soon and don't forget to like and comment on this video. Share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram @eateriescrush for daily updates. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!